Hi, it's time for our October harvest report. And yes, our garden is still managing to produce some at this late date. We'll start off over here with our Malabar spinach. We tried that for the first time this year and it's really been productive here lately. And then we are also still getting some peppers and tomatoes out of our garden. And then this year we've did a few second plantings of things to try to extend our season. And there's our second cucumber we've gotten off of the second planting of cucumbers. And then you can see the purple beans, which are the first time we've tried those at all this year before. And they were a second planting and they're producing. And then we planted some peas to grow into late this season as we can since they like cool weather. And there's our first peas that we got off of that planting. There should be more to come from that. And then tomatoes. We plant some of these tomatoes you see here today are actually off of suckers that we pulled off of our plants and planted, and they have grown up now into plants and are producing tomatoes. So we're kind of excited about that. Well, that's our October harvest report, and we hope you have a great gardening day.